Fianna Fáil's failed bid to get former TV presenter Gráinne Seoige elected to the Dáil cost almost double what the party spent on its successful candidate in the 5-seat Galway West constituency in last year's general election. Fianna Fáil headquarters spent €14,509 from the party's own purse on the Seoige campaign, compared to just under €8,414 on John Connolly, who gained the second highest number of votes in the constituency, according to recent filings to the Standards in Public Office Commission. Seoige, a first-time candidate who was selected to run as one of the party's so-called celebrity picks, came ninth and polled at just 5%, having been brought in to replace party stalwart Eamon O'Keefe. Filings with Sipo show Fianna Fáil spent €9,303.28 on election posters for the Seoige campaign, with €590.40 spent on newspaper ads. By comparison, the party spent €2,868.96 on election posters for Connolly, the Galway councillor who stood unsuccessfully for the Dáil in 2016. In a similar instance, the party spent €12,929 on first-time candidate Alison Cummin in the Louth constituency. The former broadcaster and first-time candidate was appointed to the Seanad by the Taoiseach earlier this year after she came sixth in the 5-seater last November. The party spent just €4,984 on Senator Erin McGreehan, who was also a first-time candidate and who won a Dáil seat for the party in Louth. Spending by Fianna Fáil headquarters on both campaigns has brought renewed focus to candidate selection in the wake of the Jim Gavin fiasco and ahead of the finalisation of an internal review into how the former Dublin GAA manager was selected, as well as how much the party spent on his presidential campaign. The review has now been delayed beyond the original November 11th deadline, prompting frustration among backbench teams.